Hi. Hi everyone. Today we will dive into an essential skill that often gets overlooked, that is paragraph writing. Whether you're writing essays, reports or even emails, the ability to craft a well-structured paragraphs can make your writing much more professional and easier to follow. Let's start with the basics here. What is a paragraph? A paragraph isn't just a random group of sentences put together. Think of it as a container for one single idea. Imagine you're explaining something to a friend. You won't jump from one topic to another in a single breath, right? You would stick to one point, explain it well, and then move on. Here, a paragraph does the same in writing. It keeps your ideas organized, making your writing clearer and more enjoyable to read. Structure of a paragraph. Now that we know what a paragraph is, let's see how it is structured. Think of a paragraph like a mini essay. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. It begins with the topic sentence, which is like a headline. It takes the reader what to expect. Then comes the supporting sentences, where you explain your point, give examples, or add details. This is the meat of your paragraph. Finally, you end with a concluding sentence. This ties up your idea and can also hint at what's coming next. A good paragraph isn't just about writing a few sentences together. It must have some certain qualities. Firstly, there is unity, where you must stick to one idea only. Next is coherence, where the sentences must follow naturally. Then we have adequate development, where you don't just say I love cricket, and here you have to tell why, explain with reasons and examples. Lastly, proper order. Here you should arrange your sentences logically so the reader follows your thought process step by step. Here's how it comes together in practice. Let's say we write about reading books. We begin with reading books is a great hobby. This is the topic sentence. Then we explain why, where it has been given here. Next, finally, we conclude with therefore reading is both enjoyable and beneficial. This example shows how we can make even a simple idea sound engaging when we follow a proper structure. Tips for effective paragraph writing. Writing good paragraphs is easier when you follow some practical tips. First, always plan your paragraph. Stick to one idea per paragraph to avoid confusion. Use linking words like firstly, in addition, or consequently to guide your reader. Keep your sentences clear and concise. Lastly, always revise. Think of writing like cooking. Preparing ingredients, cooking step by step, and adding seasoning at the end makes your dish tasty. Similarly, these steps make your writing impressive. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the best writers make mistakes, okay? But we can avoid some common pitfalls. Don't mix multiple ideas in one paragraph. It confuses the reader. Don't write paragraphs that are too short. It makes your argument weak. Also, you should not write too long, which loses readers' attention. Avoid vague sentences and don't forget to conclude your paragraph. So, correcting these kind of mistakes will make your writing clearer and more professional. So, here I have given you some quick practice activity. So, let's practice together. Pick one. Write a paragraph about your favorite festival. Here, think of why you enjoy it, what activities you do. Next, write about the importance of exercise. So to wrap up, paragraphs are like mini stories. They help your reader understand you better. Remember, one idea, clear explanation, smooth flow and proper conclusion. The more you practice, the better you will get. Start noticing how paragraphs work in books or articles you read. Thank you and happy writing.